All right, so the issue with this guy is the fact that we look at it here, it's this little area, I think, that's really freaking it out because it gets fairly complex down here and then it lifts up a little bit. And I think it just has a problem with this calculation as it's lifting up off the ground. So I exported it as a separate, and I'm going to show you kind of what happens. So if I go through the process, right, component model in place, and I go grab the mass and click OK, mass 1, right, and then insert link CAD, and I just grab this guy and open it, brings it in, finish the mass. I don't get any error messages. It sees it as a solid, which is great. But what happens is, let me hide these, annoying. If I go to wireframe so we can see what's going on. If I come in and pick it, and I do mass floors, and I pick anything but 1, it's actually fine. Like it does it, right? Like it goes in and actually finds those mass floors. However, if I control Z back, if I come in and pick it and go to mass floors and include plan A1, it breaks because of the complex relationship at the bottom of that guy. So anytime that you pick 1, it's not going to be able to do any of them, right? It'll just say nope. And then when you pick it and go back to mass floors, it'll show you. But if I get rid of mass plan A1, it'll come in and pop in 2 and 3. So you can either leave out the bottom floor if you're going to use this one, or adjust, like go in and sort of clean up, maybe make the bottom of this guy a little less complex, because you can see, like if I pick this guy and copy it, I'm just going to make another level down here, right, pretty close. And let me delete these so we don't have them in our view. And then if I pick this and go to mass floors and pick planet A7, right, it makes it fine. But if I come in here and I move it down, so I'm moving it down, moving it down, moving it down, moving it down, and when it hits 0, it's going to break, right? So for some reason, when it hits 0, there's something about the bottom of this, which is a little funky, right? That it can't calculate it. So I just popped it up a tiny bit, right? And it's working. So that's the issue.